Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the food delivery service, Miss Fresh. Alright, so I tried out Miss Fresh for 1 week of the food delivery, and I filmed, me receiving the box, what was in it, the ingredients that came inside, what came inside the box. So for this video, for the first part, you're going to see some clips of me receiving the box and showing what's inside, and then at the end, I'm going to share with you guys my review of the service. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so this video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be doing this unboxing for Miss Fresh. It just got delivered here. And if you don't know what Miss Fresh is, it's basically one of those types of companies that delivers food to you. Like, you choose recipes online and they're supposed to send you like the exact amount of ingredients that you need to make the dish. Alright, so it was literally just delivered, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so it says refrigerate on the outside here. Okay, so we got the 3 recipes here, the 3 items that I chose, and then it's got like the ingredients and then the prep instructions behind. And let's see here, there's like a welcome message here. Okay, and then let's remove, oh, so it's like a little treasure box here. Cool. So I guess this is kind of like a freezer box that they put within a box. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh. Cool. So they're supposed to give you like the exact amount to make the meal so that you don't have like extra and all that. Like, you have the exact amount. So this is the first one. This looks like it's for, let's see here, for this one. The stroganoff, the wild mushroom stroganoff, this bag right here. So we've got like an onion, some mushrooms, the onion's like cold, pasta. Let's see what else here. Here's some asparagus, lemon, I think that's rice. It's for the risotto, the shrimp and asparagus risotto. Cool. And then the last one here is the wild poached cod. Got all the ingredients. I mean, everything looks like it's measured out accordingly. I'm going to be cooking one of the dishes later so that you guys can see. And here's some coconut milk. And then, let me just take this out here. Oh, there's an ice pack. 2 ice packs, and then there's the fillet, the fish fillet here, and then the shrimp right here. So that looks like this is supposed to be 3 days of food. It's 3 days of food, and each bag is supposed to be like for 2. So this is supposed to be for 2 people. So you got 3 meals for 2 portions each. You can get like a family size as well if you have more people. But yeah, you can just do like, if you want to do like the minimum amount, this would probably be the minimum amount. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. That was the unboxing. I'm going to cook one of the meals and see how it turns out. Alright, so I've decided to make this one first, wild mushrooms stroganoff, and this is what came in the bag. Got all these items. I like how everything is like already predetermined, which is cool. So there's all this stuff here, and then let's see what it looks like at the end. Alright, so here it is. It's all done. Pretty much used everything except there's a little bit more rosemary. They gave a bunch of that, but pretty much used everything. And one thing that I didn't pay attention to was that I needed some butter. So when I was going on the website, I actually didn't know that this dish needed butter, but luckily I did have some butter. So just make sure that you look at the recipes to see if like there's some things that are not included. But other than that, this is the dish. I'm excited to eat it, and we'll see you at the next one. All right, so we're on to day 2, and we're going to be making the wine poached cod. We've got the cod here, we've got some capers, we've got some red pepper flakes, the garlic's already peeled, got some parsley, milk. I like these little containers where everything's already measured. The white wine, got the 2 potatoes, lemon, and some tomatoes. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so just finished. Here are the 2 cod pieces with the garlic and the wine and the tomatoes, capers, and some red pepper flakes. And then here is the mashed potatoes on the side. I've been trying some of this on the side here. It just has a taste, and I'm liking it so far, so I can't wait to eat this as a dinner together. Stay tuned for day 3. Alright, so here we go. Day 3. Gonna be making the shrimp and asparagus risotto. So, here are our ingredients. We've got the shrimp, unpeeled garlic, bouillon broth, chicken broth, asparagus, some rice, lemon, cheese, some white wine, and an onion. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so there we go. It's all completed. I did the asparagus a little bit differently, but basically it looks the same, so I can't wait to try it out. Alright, so after a week of trying out Miss Fresh, here are my honest thoughts. First of all, it's a cool service, it's convenient, and it took away sort of the stress of having to figure out, oh, what am I gonna make? What am I gonna eat? What am I gonna cook? You know, one of the issues was I would think about making something, but then, I'd go to the grocery store and then, have to get those items and then go back. And like the whole process is time consuming. For me, especially because we're online entrepreneurs and we're always on the go, and I don't have that much time to, figure out what to eat, go get it, prepare it, and then cook it. Like, that's a lot of hours if you add it all up. So the service is quite convenient, for sure. I also liked that everything was pretty much exact in that there wasn't a lot of waste. Usually when you go to the grocery store and you buy all the ingredients, it's like, sometimes you might not have enough of that, or you'll have way extra of that ingredient, and it's like, oh, when am I going to use that again? So I like that pretty much everything was used up, all the ingredients. Here's also another downside. Now, because I actually haven't tried these recipes before, these types of foods before from this service, I wasn't too keen on the first one. That first one with the stroganoff dish, I didn't really like the taste too much, It's not necessarily Miss Fresh's fault, the company, but it's like I wasn't really too keen on the flavoring of that dish. And that might happen. You might choose some dishes and you might really like something, but then you might not like other things. It's like when you go to a restaurant and you try something new, right? You might like it, you might not. Now, I did really like the second dish. Probably the second dish with the cod was my favorite. I really, really liked the flavor of it. So just note that it could be a hit and miss, whether you really like the dish or it's okay, or you might not like it at all. Also keep in mind that you need to have some staple items on hand, like milk, butter, oils, salt and pepper, because they might not provide those items. Another thing is they do offer quite a big selection of foods to choose from for the week that you want. So they'll have something that's already pre-chosen, but if you don't like those options, you can go into like a bigger library of items and recipes to choose from. And I like that they had a good selection. I was on some other websites where there was a lot less selection, and compared to Ms. Fresh, it wasn't very many at all. So I like that they had more of a selection. So overall, I would say that the service for what it was meant for and the convenience, you know, having it delivered to your place, having the ingredients already be separated in each bag was pretty cool. I really liked that. I wouldn't say overall like it was like amazing. I would say it was pretty good, but I wouldn't go as far as, "Oh my god, this service is amazing." This service is convenient for sure. And would I try it out again? Yes, I would. I would try it out again and try out some new recipes because like I said, I did like the convenience. So I would definitely recommend Miss Fresh to try it out if you haven't tried a service like this before. Check out the recipes, try out the service, try the food out. I really liked that they provided, you know, the recipe cards plus the directions. I literally didn't have to think. I just read the directions and just cooked the food as it said on the card. So let me know if you guys have tried out Miss Fresh and if you liked the service. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comments section below. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.